Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this is a cute project bag. It's from a store called Crafty Like a Monkey, and I've ordered some things from them before, and I just think that they have really cute project bags, and I couldn't resist these, so let's see if I can get them out of here. I think they come from Canada, so it's, oh no, Minnesota. So it's kind of funny they are using US boxes, but they don't. It's from Minnesota. All right, so let's see here. Oh, they gave me some little treats, some Jolly Rancher stuff, and here's her card, Crafty Like a Monkey. And I got this really cute project bag. Has little knit balls on it with the knitting needles, the sticks, and then it's got buttons. And it's brown on the inside, cute little stitching, and a removable little wrist holder or whatever you want to use it for. But that's really cute. And then I got this, and it says Born to Knit. It's like a tattoo pattern. I thought it was really cute. And there's another removable handle, and the inside is lined with this beautiful mustard yellow. I thought that would be cute, and I'm actually giving one to a friend as well, so I got another one, and it's kind of cute. They're the same spot. That's really cute. They're kind of, not exactly, but pretty close. And then this one is lined with, or I'm thinking, oh no, this is lined with the cute flower pattern. Oh, that's adorable. And it has the cute mint zipper. And again, her little Crafty Like a Monkey tag and the lanyard holder, whatever. So super cute. I am loving them. I think that these are really cute. I'm excited to use them. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you check her out, CraftyLikeAMonkey.com, and I'll link it below. Thanks a bunch. Bye-bye.